everyone. Welcome to Leather Trust. Let's take a look at what they make here.
Hi, I'm Deanna, and I do all the purchasing for the Leather Trust plant.
How has the supply chain problem affected your business?
Currently, as most people know, and for the last 2 years, lumber has been just absolutely insane as far as supply and price.
This is what the end product truss looks like. The best way to repair, which in my case, I really just don't stop thinking about it.
Specifically designed to hold roof trusses and floor trusses. So you see the forklift coming down the hill right now. He will bring the job down. Since the job's broken into so many sections, he'll bring the job down and stage it down here in the yard.
This is our ultimate goal.
A big thank you to Leather Trust and everyone who watched our video.